Alright, what is going on YouTube? Chris here again with another video. For today I'm just going to go ahead and do a little update for you guys. I'm going to show you around, play around with my phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you guys are kind of curious on what camera I'm actually using right now. But I just want to go ahead and give you guys a little update on what is going on in my life with some of the new car parts that eventually will be getting thrown on. But like I just said, there's a lot of things going on. A lot of work being scheduled right now. Not a lot of downtime. But I will eventually have time to go ahead and do all that stuff. So let me show you guys what's all been collected. Alright, not gonna lie, I have this all bolted up, and it's pretty heavy when it's all said and done together. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. But as you guys can see, I got my Evo X Turbo back from Turbos RS, Mr. Chris Robbins. Thank you, huge shout out to you. Yeah, he upgraded my Evo X Turbo. I now have a GTX3576. I'll go ahead and lay down all the specs below in the description box below. You guys go ahead and take a look at it. On top of the turbo, I have the MA Performance ceramic coated 2-billet exhaust manifold. Opens up to the AMS wide mouth downpipe. And then this is new. I don't think I ever actually told you guys the intake system I'm going to be running. But this is the AMS intake. Comes with a little nice heat shield right here. So got that running over there. Got a nice little data log cable to go to the wideband for future tuning. Just a little boost pill, that way I don't lose that thing. And then on top of all that turbo setup, I was going to use the lines that were provided with me when I bought this turbo. However, I went to MA Performance and I bought a whole bunch of brand new lines, gaskets, washers, all that nine. They actually have a kit converting from the Ralliart to the Evo, so it makes it nice and simple. Like I said, when I do eventually have time, I'll be throwing it on the car, getting the car tuned and seeing what happens. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this off just to show you guys how beautiful this fucking turbo is. But there it is, there's the turbo itself. Again, it's the GT3576. It's going to be rated to about 500 horsepower, 600 horsepower with supporting mods. Really happy with the outcome of that. Of course, I got the wastegate, that didn't change. That was already on there from the previous Evo X Turbo itself. But granted, I am super excited to get all this started eventually. Like I said, just waiting for some time. And it's got a nice little finish. He does offer some powder coating services. I could have went with the powder coat. Chose not to, but regardless, that is one sexy turbo. But yeah, I figured I'd go ahead and update you guys on a lot of stuff that's going to be going on here pretty soon. Like I said, busy with work, busy with the holidays coming up. Halloween's just this weekend, so looking forward to that. But yeah, now that I have all my data logging capabilities and stuff like that, maybe we'll go ahead and find a rough estimate of what this car is actually pushing at the moment. I'm thinking it's about 280s to the wheels. Maybe, I don't know, but only one way to tell, right? So keep an eye out for a data log of the Ralliart, and then hopefully a build process with all the new parts, and eventually an e-tune. Maybe we'll get it on a dyno eventually one day, but we'll go with an e-tune for now just to make sure everything's drivable and works a-okay. But there you go, that is my quick little rundown. Keep you guys updated on what's going on with the Ralliart. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, what my plans are, or where I bought specific parts or anything like that, please lay a comment down below. But yeah, so other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on auto, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.